So I got me a vending machine. Took it out of the plastic. Let's open that bad boy up. Oh yeah. Gotta check everything out. Let's take that paper off that thing. Got me some Sprite. Gotta get the Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, gotta get some chips. Gotta get the candy. Come on now. Oh yeah. Come on now. Gotta break that back. Look at them honey buns, them jumbo honey buns and famous Amos. Oh yeah. Gotta get it. Come on now. At the barber mosaic. Oh yeah. Make sure you work out. Good for your back. Look at the baby. She even helping me out. Come on. Load that bad boy up. And here we go. First vending machine and more to come.